What's up guys, it's Kevin from K-Square Fitness, and today Rob and I are going to take you through a sweet push-up series. All you got to do is follow along. I want you to gather a couple things. Kettlebells and dumbbells if you got it, because we're going to hit some deficit push-ups. And then a pair of plates if you got that, because we're going to hit some wide grip deficit push-ups here in a little bit. Everything is going to be on the clock, so get ready to move with us. We're going to get going in probably about 20 seconds or so. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 different sections. But one last thing, if you have something to hook up a band so you can get some tricep extensions towards the end of this workout, do that. Otherwise, we'll have an alternative for you. Got a little glare on the board. But our first thing is going to be plyometric push-ups and push-up pulses. 15 seconds on, 15 seconds off. So plyo push-ups are going to be first. We're going to get this going in 15 seconds. This is definitely an advanced, spicy little workout, so if you gotta pause it, you can go on your own pace, be ready to do that, but we're going in 3. Plyo push-ups, 2, let's go Rob. 3, 2, 1. Next one, push-up pulse. We're going to go to the bottom of our push-up, all the way down, 8 little pulses for 20 seconds. We're going 3, 2, 20 seconds work, all the way down, on your tippy toes, small pulses, let's light them up. Put your feet together, 4, 3, 2, 1. Another way to triceps out more than you think. 15 seconds off. Plyometric push-ups for round 2. Coming up to 50, Rob. 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Come on. Time. 15 off, got that already. Five seconds. Bottom pulses, here we go. Light them up.
Tell me how close it to
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 3, one more round.
Tell me how to do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear.
Going 5,
Words only meant for me.
plyo push-ups, let's go.
Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason. Yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're
6 seconds.
to my prayers. Feel like the
One more.
world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be.
Light them up. Make sure the mic to stay on. Bottom pulses. 2, 1. Let's go. A lot of time under tension. Oh, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2. You need your kettlebells. We're going deficit push-ups. 30 seconds of work. 30 seconds off. Hit it. Let's go. Time under tension. Let's go. Halfway. 10 seconds. Can you get 3 more? 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 off. Only got 2 sets though. 2 sets. sets. If you're new around here, be sure to like this video and subscribe if you want sweet ab workouts, chest workouts, all that good stuff. We put out free content all the time. 4 seconds for the second set. Only got 2 sets to work for. Here we go. Go. Yeah. 10 seconds. Everybody get 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next series, we're going hand plank, shoulder tap, push-up position. Tap your shoulders, and then we're going wide grip, deficit push-ups. Or just wide grip push-ups. 30 seconds on, 15 seconds of push-ups. Feet together, tap it out, 30 seconds. Ooh. Halfway. 10. 3, 2, wide grips position, 15 seconds. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, 30 off. Out of 10, 1, let's go. 30 seconds of taps. Those triceps, your obliques. 1 set at a time, let's get it. Ten seconds, come on. Wide grip push-up coming up. 2, try not to drop. 1, let's go. 3, 2, 30 off, one more time. After this, you'll need your band. Ooh, we're going on the band. Tricep extensions. Tricep 2. We're up to 5, 2, 1. Come on, dude, let's go. Halfway, guys. Ten. Last set, finish strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, wide grip. Bust them out. 5, 4, 3, 2, yeah. Time, 30 off. We're going on the band. 2 sets, 20 seconds. Single arm push down. 10 seconds off. 20 on. 10 off. See arm? Yes. Arm's not gonna move. We're going in 3, 2, 1.
Coming back.
Come on, come on, come on, halfway. 4, 3, 2, 10 off. Oh, yeah, seriously. We're not gonna go bench press after this. 2, 1, go. Getting ready for the Merc Challenge coming up in 4 weeks. Push-ups. Doing the Merc this year. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Check down in the description. I'll put our, I think it's 4 or 5 week Merc prep plan down there. Free guide for you. 2, 1. Free guide for you. It'll take you through everything to do in the weeks prior to it. 10 seconds. Only got 2 sets. Line them up. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. 5 seconds. Last set, guys. 2, 1. Hit it. Halfway. 4, 3, 2. Good work, Rob. That was push-up series for today. As you can see, I would consider true fitness not just being able to crank out a couple sets of push-ups, but being able to obtain that amount of volume in that short amount of time, having the capacity to work that hard. That was today's primer to our bench press. So a lot of push-ups. We're gonna be pretty lit up, see how this goes. If you're new around here, like I said, be sure to like this video, subscribe. We put out free content all the time so that you can move better, feel better, and perform better. I'll catch you in the next one.